I am Storm, and you can too. Welcome to day number 33. Lucky threes. Today's video, I'll be doing a review on Raycon's E25s. No, I'm just kidding. I already did that. My new pair showed up. The last pair suffered some damage in a way that I really can't even describe what happened. It was the craziest thing. 1 second, everything was good. The next second, everything was bad. And it's no fault of the Raycons. It was every bit the fault of a really good washing machine and good intentions. So, yeah, still haven't figured out how they got broken though. Anyway, I've been playing the absolute hell out of Red Dead Redemption 2. I can't put the controller down, and I'd feel bad about it if it wasn't the weekend. There's laundry to be done, trees to be put inside. It's finally nice outside, so I should probably be out there, but I don't want to. So, I'm not going to. Been watching a lot of documentaries about, like, Heath Ledger as the Joker and No Country for Old Men. A psychological look at the bad guy. And it's weird when they break things down and they say things like, these guys aren't insane, they just are doing things as chaotic decision making. And not that the normal person shouldn't think like these, like Joker, like Sugar, like anything like that, but would that work in our world to have people like that? Like, does it actually work? I really do wonder. Is there a guy out there right now that is doing the things that Joker does, but doing them in Africa or Japan, or not necessarily America, because here in America, I feel like we would know. Closest thing I can think of a vigilante gone crazy was the guy that cement armored a bulldozer and went through town and took his revenge, which I should do more research about who that was, because I've heard his name before and I've watched the whole thing, but I admit to you, I've kind of gotten on a subject of this CSX train back in 2001, where the driver hopped out of the locomotive and went to manually switch the tracks himself because the tracks weren't switched in a switch yard. And when he threw the control lever for the accelerator, he accidentally bypassed the dead man switch, and suddenly that train is tearing down the tracks at 40, 50 mile per hour with no brakes and no one driving it. And it's just like, these things happen. They happen all around you. And if you don't have your eyes open, you miss them. This happened in Ohio, and admittedly, like, that wasn't the biggest thing that happened in '01. But I didn't even know about that. Now, like, I love trains. So there's a lot of stuff that's going on that I'm not really keen on, and just makes me wonder, would a antagonist personality like Joker function in our society? Would it actually happen, or would it be more like Joaquin Phoenix? I get the feeling that that's more realistic to what Joker would be for us, and that in itself is pretty crazy. Sorry for the disheveled look. I tried to smooth out my hair, but obviously that's not happening. Like I said, I've been playing Red Dead like all day. So, haven't showered, but planning on doing it now. Have done a couple loads of laundry and all that because I decided about 45 minutes ago to stop being a piece of crap. But I think I'm gonna take a break, play some more Red Dead. Happy weekend to y'all, day 33, and enjoy.